When people ask how to break an unhealthy attachment or addiction to somebody, your life's become unmanageable because of this person. It's almost like the first step of the 12 steps of recovery. We can become addicted to people. So it's first identifying the addictive behaviors, and then I help people to detach. And the statement is detach with love, love of self and love for the other. But first, the love has to be for myself, like my oxygen mask on first, then everybody else's. So I help people to shift the perspective of being so overly focused on their partner. And now you have to focus on you. So it goes back to loving yourself, focusing on you one day at a time, having goals and dreams, reestablishing your presence, your identity outside of the relationship, and having your own thoughts and being able to have plans outside of the relationship, because the unhealthy attachment style, usually an anxious attachment style, causes so many symptoms: anxiety attacks, panic attacks, just a lot of racing thoughts, inability to focus in any other relationship. The love relationship is the primary focus. So usually work starts to fail, or relationships with families start to fail, even children. So I always encourage people to detach with love. That's the first step. And then really starting to look at loving themselves again, because all the love is usually placed onto the partner or the mate instead of on myself. And usually there's a lot of self-esteem, a negative self-esteem or negative self-talk when we're in an anxiously attached relationship, because there's so much fear that my self-worth and my self-esteem is based on another person. So we've given this person so much power in our lives, and no person can have that much power. We have to love ourselves. We have to like who we are, and where we're going, become in touch with our purpose, our direction, our goals. Addictive behavior will definitely lead to destructive behavior. And so we have to be able to shift out of that thinking in order to become in love with myself, and then I can love another.